Stonehealth has been innovating, developing and manufacturing building cleaning systems since we started in 1989. Now we introduce the DOFFIII. It's now all-in-one, with our pump being integrated into the main frame of the unit, meaning it's even more simple to set up and move around any site. And we've made this more efficient, using 50% less power whilst increasing overall system performance. By adding a remote control, you can start up or shut down the system from up to 50 meters away, giving you flexibility and allowing for single operator use. We've made the DOFFIII smart, achieving a new level of precision and control, measuring and diagnosing the system 5 times a second, delivering consistent temperature performance and additional functionality to keep your work on track. All of this is powered by our new, highly efficient and lower emission boiler. DOFFIII, our next evolution in efficiency and performance for industrial cleaning, conservation and restoration.